Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to turn on guided access on your iPhone. First thing first, tap the settings icon on your home screen, then scroll down and select accessibility from the menu. In the accessibility menu, scroll to the general section near the bottom, then tap on guided access. Now, tap on the guided access toggle to switch on. Now, tap the passcode settings, then tap Set Guided Access Passcode and enter a 6-digit code. You can also enable Face ID or Touch ID to quickly end a guided access session. Now tap Time Limit to customize alerts before a session ends, and here you can choose a sound and whether the remaining time should be spoken aloud. Under Sound, select a notification tone from the list to play when the time is nearly up, and toggle Speak to on to have the remaining session's time announced automatically. Just tap Now Accessibility shortcut and toggle it on to allow quick access to guided access during sessions by triple-clicking on the side or home button. Tap Display Auto Lock to set how long the screen stays awake during guided access and choose a longer time period if needed. Now once you've finished everything up, return to the home screen by swiping up, then pressing the home button, and to start a session, open the app you want to lock, then triple click on the side or home button to activate guided access. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.